Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to create PandaDocs for doc proposals. So first log into your PandaDoc account, head over to the home page and click on create document button. Just you can start from template here. Let's for example choose proposal template proposal, or you can choose template gallery. Here you have proposals. Just choose the proposal template that you like, click on it and click add one item, and just recipient choose skip, and your proposal doc will be created successfully in PandaDoc in a few simple clicks. So here it is guys, your proposal doc template created in PandaDoc in a few simple steps. And that's it, your work is done. You can edit all the elements that are in this doc proposal. So if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.